Hello, welcome back to Tswana class. Okay, maybe I should start with the real introduction. Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. Today we are going to be translating a South African Setswana into Botswana Setswana. Do not like the sound of that. Okay, so basically what I did is I took a video of SJ Letlala, who is a South African teaching people Setswana on YouTube, and I am going to see the similarities or differences rather of words that they use over there in Setswana in South Africa, and I will be translating those South African Setswana words into Setswana that is spoken in Botswana. I hope that makes sense. But if you don't understand what I'm saying, please continue watching the video and then you will understand. Hopefully there are words that I'm going to find that are different from how we would say them in Botswana. Let's go.
In Setswana, if you want to state your action in relation to the second person, you would use the phrase ke a go followed by the action. This is the equivalent of I, verb, you. Let us look at these illustrations. Ke a go rata. I love you. Ke a go gopola. I remember you. Ke a go utlwa. I hear you. Ke a go itse. I know you. Ke a go duela. I pay you. Ke a go tlhoka. I need you. Ke a go gakolola. I advise you. Ke a go kolobetsa. I baptize you. Ke a go tlhopa. I choose you.
So far, nothing different.
Ke a go belaela. I suspect you. Notice that there is go in front of the verb. This does not, however, mean to, as in the case with other videos. In this case, it means you. So when it says ke a go itse, in direct translation it would be I, you, know, which does not make sense in English. Hence I use equivalent. Now, to practice, you can use the verb tlhaloganya. Araba. Dumela.
Okay, so far no difference in words, which is like obvious because it's Setswana, guys. It's Tswana from South Africa. There are few words actually as you go on many other topics. So I just wanted to point out that Dumela here, Dumela actually means believe, all in all, although it's also used in Botswana as a greeting, like Dumelang. I always say Dumelang, welcome back to Tswana class. So Dumela, it can also mean a greeting. When you meet somebody for the first time, you can say Dumela, Dumela Titi, Dumela Smama, Dumela SJ. But also Dumela means believe or agree. it depending on how you're using it. So when I say ke a go dumela, I believe you. Ke a dumela means I agree. Wow, so many things in one word. Okay, I hope you understand that. If you don't understand, hit that comment box, that comment section, and let me know. I can elaborate more. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will go to SJ Letlala's YouTube channel and check out more of his videos. So educating. I'm also learning Setswana on his channel, but I am Tswana, which is like super encouraging for you if you are learning Setswana. Okay, so you can never stop learning. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribe button and watch so many other videos as well that I've done. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang santle.